Hey tubers, I know you haven't seen me in a while, and that's because my old computer crapped out, and it's kind of hard to find old technology so you can keep using your camera and your editing program. But I believe I've accomplished those tasks, so this is the wrap-up video for where I'm at to Redboy, the great red elephant. And I'll tell you what, I've been making some progress. The wife doesn't like this paint job. She wants me to go with the original paint job she chose. But this one's cabinets and drawers. I haven't figured out a latching mechanism, so that's temporary. On this side, I've got the sink, everything, the drain system's in. It's all plumbed out. I actually, though, had a pump in here, too noisy, so I've ordered a new one. Hey, we've even put seat covers here in the front. I've got all the little trim pieces covering all the cutouts from the security panel. Hey, you are here. I'm here. And it's actually looking pretty good. These here on each side are actually safety rails, so in my sleep I don't kick out a piece of glass. But I'm really happy. Sinks in here. Pull out. Oh, check this out too, folks. So I can power up my water pump. There you go. Water pump will have power. No power. Now the water pump's going to be one of those on demand, you know, but when you're not in the van, you don't want to leave your pump running in case you get a leak. Or I should say powered up. Hey, check this out. Hey, check this out. I just found an old check made out to the glass company for $250. It was unendorsed. Somebody probably got in trouble for this check, losing this check. You're not going to believe this. Well, you probably will. But my wife just told me today that when the Tundra dies and can't be fixed, we're not going to replace it. She said we'll just have the van and her RAV4. I'll tell you what, I've been splitting my driving time between both vehicles. I like the truck better, but I'm a truck guy. There's nothing wrong with this van. Whoa. But I'm a truck guy. And that Tundra is just prime. I bought it brand new. It's got over 260,000 miles on it. It still runs nice. Air conditioning blows cold.